What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shardy, and we're back with another freaking video. So today I went ahead and did this super glam, like metallic Valentine's Day look. I told you guys I'm trying to dabble a little bit into color, so this is what you got. So if you guys are interested in more looks like this, make sure you guys go ahead and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time that I upload, as well as subscribe to this channel, guys. We are on the road to 700 subscribers. We are almost there, so go ahead and press that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and start off with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance just to make sure that my shadow lasts. After priming my eyes, I like to go in with Born This Way in the color Fairest, just because it's a white coat and it makes my pigment show better with the eyeshadows. I'm going in with the color Born Fresco from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I like to use it as a transition shade and go right above my crease and just merge it down just a little bit. Then you guys see me use the color Saffron on the outer corners, and I kind of just do like a smoky eye, a red smoky eye that's very, very deep. You guys go ahead and see me use Born Fresco just to blend that eyeshadow so it's nice and seamless. Now I go in with the color Angelic from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and it's a nice pink, like peachy pink color with a lot of glitter in it, and it's really, really cute. I'm just going to use a little bit of that Fairest color from Born This Way just to cut my crease. And I'm sorry that I'm blocking this off, guys. Me and cut creases fight all the time because I can never get them perfect, but I'm practicing and it's getting a lot better. So what you see me doing right now is just cutting that crease, and I'm just taking my time and using the tapping method just to make it nice and clean. We'll try to make it nice and clean. I'm now going back into that Huda Beauty palette and using the color Turkish Delight. This is a very metallic red color. It's like a fire red color with a lot of glitter. So I'm going to go over the cut crease with that color just to make some of these reds stand out. Now going back in with our color Angelic from the Huda Beauty palette and just putting back some of that color that we lost with the cut crease. And this is gonna come off like in almost like a peekaboo shade. I'm going in with the Naked Palette 3 palette and using that color Black Heart. I love this color because it's black, but it has purpley tones with pink glitter, and it's just very perfect for a really cute Valentine's Day look. I'm going right in under that color Saffron in my outer corners of my eyes and just placing that right there and just smoking it out a little bit. I'm now using Kat Von D's Alchemy palette, and I really wanted to make this look a little bit more metallic, so I'm gonna go back in with Born This Way Fairest concealer, dab a little bit in the middle of my eyelid. As you guys see, I only use a dab, and then I said I was using the pink, but I actually ended up using the purple because I love the way it mixed with the red, and it just looks very, very cute.
Back it up and then I pipe that. How about your neck now? Would you bite back? Yeah, I do it like this, do it like that. Yeah, yeah. She put it on me, then I write that. She back it up and then I pipe that. How about your neck now? Would you back that?
I'm now going in with my concealer from Becca Cosmetics, and I am cleaning up my eyeshadow. Guys, I can't lie, this is my favorite part of doing makeup. It's just cleaning up the eyeshadow and just seeing how everything turns out. It's so satisfying. Now going in with my mink lashes, guys. Make sure you shop Luxe Seduction, and these are the lashes Hot Girl. They'll be linked down below with the discount code. Alright guys, so I hope you guys all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was very useful. If you guys have any other makeup ideas that you guys want to see me do, make sure you guys go down below in the comment section and let me know. And as always guys, stay new, stay true, and be you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.